Ito naman mga kabombo, mga ka-Sir Nation, appreciated at pinuri ni Lady Senator Loren Legarda ang mga akda ng Bangsamoro Autonomy Act or ang may akda ng Bangsamoro Autonomy Act No. 88 na may titulong An Act Amending Bangsamoro Autonomy Act No. 35, An Act Providing for Bangsamoro Electoral Code of the Bangsamoro Autonomous Region in Muslim Mindanao. Ito ay ang pag-aamyenda ng nasabing electoral code lalo na sa probisyon na may kinalaman sa paghalal sa mga representanteng sektoral o sectoral representatives. Sa pagdinig ng Senado nito lamang mga kabombo, ipinaliwanag ni BTA Parliament Member at Deputy Floor Leader Attorney Nagib Sinarimbo ang nilalaman ng nasabing probisyon na nakabase sa 13 taon ng panukala ng Senador na Senate Bill 342 na nagbibigay ng bigat sa pagboto ng mga sectoral representatives na uupo sa parlamento. Ipinaliwanag din ito sa Senado ang kabuang proseso ng pag-amyenda ng nasabing batas. Dahil dito mga kabombo, mga ka-Sir Nation, labis na nagpasalamat si Legarda sa mga bumubuo ng BAA 88 na ipinakita nitong dedikasyon sa pagbalangkasa ng amyenda at nangako na i-update at uhugutin mula sa archives ng kapulungan ang nasabing panukala na nag-umpisa ng maupo ito sa Senado noong 2013 upang ma-refile ito sa Senado sa lalong madaling panahon. Narito si Attorney Nagib Sinarimbo, Member of Parliament.
Yung pong sector na bahagi, wala ho tayong binago doon. Binago lang ho natin yung manner of election. At ang ginaya ho natin ay yung proposal ninyo, ma'am, na ang election na ay at large. Pero walang ibang mapipili na hindi ka bahagi ng sector na yon. Pero magbo-vote na lahat. Kasi ho, yung unang in-outline na process, kinontrol natin yung sectoral selection at yung manner of voting. At masyadong complicated yung manner of voting. Ang kakailanganin ni COMELEC, if we do that, hindi tayo magkaka-election this year. Kasi ire-require natin si Commission on Elections na mag-register. In the registration ng mga botante, mamimili siya ng 3 sektor. Sasabihin niya, itong sector 1, 2, 3 ang sektor na bobotuhan ko. Now, pag nagawa mo na yon, you have that system, ita-translate mo pa yan doon sa precinct level mismo. Yung electoral board naman ang tuturuan mo na makikilala niya yung botanting yon at malalaman niya na ang pinili niyang sektor ay yung 3. Kasi ibibigay mo sa kanya yung balota. If we do that manner of election, hindi ho tayo magkaka-election, ma'am. Kaya ho talagang ang ginawa natin, we simplified it. We've seen your proposal, yun ho ang ginaya namin. Para merong kang integrity dun sa sector na yon. Pero, yung manner of election mo ay...
I don't understand when you say, sir, my proposal. What do you mean?
Yung proposal ho ninyo na nabasa namin dun sa... kung paano yung sectoral representation sa... yun ho ang manner ng pagpili.
You referring to the Bangsamoro Parliament Forum? The discussions when you say my proposal? Was it a personal proposal?
Nasa Senate Bill 342 po yun.
A bill I filed 13 years ago.
Yes.
Good research.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
We researched that.
Okay.
Tama po, kasi we were in a
Ako palang
quandary
author
paano.
niyan.
Opo.
Okay. So I filed the bill in 2013. That was my second term. And you adopted
Yes,
a bill I filed. Talagang ahead of my time, di ba?
Yes.
Tinatanong kita ngayon sa wisdom ng BAA 88.
Opo.
Bill ko pala ng 2013 ang ginawa niyong basihan.
Opo, kasi
Sinabi mo yan para wag na ako magtanong kung ano yung
hindi po,
wisdom
pero
nun.
in reality ho, matagal na debate na yun, ma'am. Paano
No,
i-operationalize?
the fact that I filed it in my second term 13 years ago, and you use that as the basis for your legislation in the BTA, I must have studied it thoroughly then. Take note of that. And thank you for acknowledging the authorship of the bill. Pwede palang ganon, magpa-file sa national, i-a-add. Ako pala ang author nung BAA 88 na tinatanong natin. 2013.
Galit mo na yung MILF.
Hindi sila galit sa akin. Hindi. No, ibig sabihin, they based it on a 2013 bill way back in 2013. So I'm trying to understand it. Basahin ko. 2013, nag-file po ako ng panukalang batas. Up to this time, Hindi pa po nababatas, na isa sa batas, napakahalaga. Did I refile it? I will refile it because this will give a voice, as the chair says, to the women, to the indigenous people, to the vulnerable populations. Ito ang kailangan talaga, grassroots communities to have representation. So I am heartened to know that this was used as a basis for empowering community-based communities, both Moro and non-Moro, Muslim and non-Muslim. Hopefully, I did not see BAA 88. Hopefully, the intent of your BAA 88, for which this bill is your inspiration, as you say, I hope it did not divert from the intent of this law, which is much needed because it is an enabling law as mandated by the Constitution. I'm now emboldened to refile it and to push for it. And second, I hear loud and clear what the chair said, that if we did not pass it through the Bangsamoro Parliament, the elections cannot be held this year. So, ibig sabihin po, itong inspirasyon na sinabi niyong basihan ng BAA 88, hindi po na etsepuera ang mga marginalized at vulnerable populations at communities. Sa halip, ito po ay magbibigay daan para po magkaboses at representasyon ng ating mga kababaihan at mga katutubo at ang mga non-Muslim groups. Ganun ba ho ang inyong persepsyon, Chair?
In fact, if I may, Madam Chair, we received several years na po, ang daming mga local officials, local chief executive, ang naghihingi sa COMELEC ng implementing rules or regulation on the provision of 7160. Ang sabi po namin, kailangan po ng isang legislation. And that's
So
the
ito na po,
legislation.
ito na nga. Buti na hungkat natin, is that a right Filipino word? I'm glad that we're able to unearth my 13-year-old bill, which is languishing in the Senate archives. I will refile it on Monday. I may even stand on the floor to deliver a privileged speech and encourage the local government committee to hear it. Today, I can file it today. Yes, but we have to update it. We have to update it. Yes, this is not, hindi naman to unahan. In fact, kung gusto mo i-co-author ito, kasi napakahaba na ng pending ito.
Star FM News.
Narinig natin mga kabombo, mga ka-Star Nation, yung naging palitan ng diskusyon ni Member of Parliament Attorney Nagib Zinarimbo at Senator Loren Ligarda.